Hello everyone, I'm Nima and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about salted and unsalted butter. So if you want to know the differences between those two and the usage of them, keep watching this video. I also have a video about butter in general, so if you want to gain more information about butter, make sure to watch that video. But if I want to give you a summary about what butter is, I would say butter is made by whipping milk or cream for a long period of time. Now, what is the difference between salted and unsalted butter? As you can guess, one of them has salt and the other doesn't. But why do we have salted and unsalted butter? The answer to this question goes actually back in time when people didn't have access to refrigeration. As you know, salt is a preservative. They would add salt to their butter so their butter would have a longer shelf life. But their salted butter back then was 10 times saltier than the salted butter that we have right now. And when it's 10 times saltier, it's clearly inedible. It's like you were eating salt with a little bit butter. So what they did was they would soak the butter in cold water to leach the salt. And back then, unsalted butter was a luxury item for the rich people. So which butter should we use? Unsalted butter is usually used in baking because in baking you actually have to follow a recipe in order to have a perfect product. So the amount of salt is very crucial in baking. But in cooking, it doesn't really matter which butter you use because you can taste and adjust the salt. If you want to spread it on your toast, it's best to use salted butter because it has salt in it, so it tastes better. Or you can do something special. You can spread unsalted butter on your toast and then add some sea salt on top of it. If you have high blood pressure, it's best to use unsalted butter because in each stick of a salted butter, there is about 1/3 of a teaspoon table salt. Alright everyone, thank you for watching this video. If you'd like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and see you soon.